Hello, my name is John Lilly. I'd like to welcome you to my new YouTube channel called Upcycle Workbench. We're going to be posting videos about how to work with pallets and build various projects with them. And we'll also be using a variety of species of scrap wood and some metal along the way as well, and maybe some actual metal objects. We're going to be using a number of tools, mostly a table saw, band saw, router, miter saw, joiner, planer, drum sander, others tools as we come along and need them. I'd like to invite you to subscribe and hit the bell when you do so you can be notified when we post new videos and you can get those right away. We're also going to be posting monthly for the most part, but this is December of 2021, and I hope by the end of this year, within another week, I'll be able to post a video about the pallet industry, talking about it in some depth anyway. And we'll try and have some educational videos like that along the way to kind of provide you with information about various industries involved with woodworking and scrap working along the way. Thank you very much, and I hope to hear from you in the comments. If you have any ideas to share with us, we'd like to hear from you. Thank you, and have a good day.